In this video, I'm going to show you how you can fix can't install TickTick app from Google Play Store. If this video helps, please like and subscribe. If you are encountering any challenge while trying to install this TickTick app, to-do list and calendar app, then there are quite a number of steps you can take to fix this. In the first method, just go back and now open Google Play Store and make sure you are logged in with your Gmail before you try to download and install this app. If you are already logged in with your Gmail but you can't, then tap on your profile icon here and go to settings, and here go to network preferences, and under network preferences look for app download preference. Here choose this first option over any network. This will ensure you can download and install apps via the current network you are connected to. Go ahead and tap on it, and okay, now try and see if you can download this app. However, if you're still unable, then check and see that you are not using any VPN, as the use of VPN might be the reason you are experiencing this. If you are on VPN, turn it off before you try to install. However, if you still have the issue, then most likely the problem is with Google Play Store app itself. For that, you need to visit Google Play Store app info page by going to settings, and from settings look for apps. Under apps, look for manage apps option. If you don't see manage apps option, you should see all apps. This will list all the apps you have on your phone. Search for Google Play Store, and here it is. If you tap on it, now we are on Google Play Store app info page. Here go to for stop and confirm. This will stop any background activities that might be causing the issue. Then go to clear data and choose clear cache, and okay. Once you are done, restart your smartphone, and now if you go back to your Play Store and activate search, now I'll search for my app, and if I run it, now let's try and see. I'll tap on install, and now look at that. Now I'm able to download and install TickTick app from Google Play Store. However, at this point, if you still have a challenge, then check and see that you have enough space on your phone. If you don't, you might want to delete some photos or videos that you no longer use, as well as apps that you no longer need. So that's how you can fix can't install TickTick app from Google Play Store. If you have any other question, kindly let me know in the comment section. Thanks for watching, and let's meet in the next video.